You probably wondered what the law of attraction is all about, how it actually works, and how you can use it to manifest the life of your dreams. Well, that's the topic of this mini-series, and today we will start with the science behind the law of attraction. You may have heard some of this before, but I invite you to put everything you know aside, to be open and listen with a beginner's mind. I promise you, there's always something new for you to receive. So often we feel we don't understand why things happen, how life works. When we buy a device, we get a user's manual. But it seems that we weren't given any kind of user's manual when we came into this physical experience, into this body. And so we try to figure it out. We look at others, model them. But when we grow up, we realize they don't know either. And so it's very confusing. Like math. When you look at numbers and you don't know any of the rules of mathematics, you wonder what's going on. Why 2 plus 3 equals 5? They don't look the same. And even more confusing, 4 plus 1 also equals 5. Different shapes, different sounds, same result. On the level of pure sensual perception, it doesn't make any sense at all. Once you understand the rules of mathematics, you can easily see how these equations work, and you can use them to enhance your life. Suddenly, everything will make sense. In the same way, it will be so much easier for you to make sense of life and all the things that seem to happen to you if you understand the laws of the universe. Nikola Tesla once said, "If you want to find the secrets of the universe, think in terms of energy, frequency, and vibration." We are so much more than what we can see with our eyes, hear with our ears, smell with our nose, taste with our tongue, or touch with our skin. We are vibrational beings living in a vibrational universe. The physical world is a reflection of the non-physical, and we are an extension of the non-physical, of Source. And it's so important to remember this. Our senses are translation systems that help us navigate through this physical experience. They translate the vibrations from our environment into images, sounds, smells, tastes, and touches. In addition to our physical senses, there's one more system that is very important for us: our emotions. Our emotions are interpreting the vibrations we experience. And they are a very powerful guidance system when it comes to working with the law of attraction. Let's first understand the law of vibration that's closely connected to the law of attraction. The law of vibration states that everything in the universe holds a specific vibration. And the vibration we hold determines how we experience life. When we feel happy, loving, and powerful, our vibration is high. When we feel sad, angry, powerless, our vibration is low. And we can consciously choose to change our vibration by choosing a different thought or by changing our perception of what's going on. The law of vibration also states that things that are in the same range of vibration can connect to each other. People and things that are within your range of vibration feel comfortable. They feel familiar. You can connect to them easily, but you can't connect to things outside your range of vibration, and sometimes you're not even aware of them. You can change your vibration, you can raise it or lower it, and by this you have access to various levels of consciousness. For example, when you meditate, you go into higher states of consciousness, and then you get insights that are available only at these higher levels. And sometimes when you are in stress or you are very angry, you can't even get a clear thought because they are outside the range of the vibration you're presently in. And everybody also has a dominant vibration, the vibration we are usually in. Some basic level of happiness or a basic level of sadness, whatever it is for each of us. And as we heal and grow and learn, this basic level will change. So we feel our vibrations through our emotions. But the range of vibrations we have access to is determined by the level of our consciousness. Have you ever wondered why you don't feel part of a group or a community? You kind of don't belong? It's probably because your vibrations don't match. So it's very natural that when you keep changing and growing, that the people in your life will also change. Allow the law of vibration to create the connection to the people and the events that match your new vibration instead of holding on to something that you have outgrown already. You can use the law of vibration to always seek out the highest vibration in any situation, to connect to the highest vibration in any person you are interacting with, and for yourself, set the intention to be at the highest vibration. And there's one basic understanding that always helped me to make this shift, and that is that we are living in a benevolent universe, and there's a stream of well-being always flowing, this stream of life force, and we can connect to it. We are the creators of our experience, and we create it in the now, and we can shift whatever we experience when we shift the perception. So now we get to the law of attraction. It simply states that which is like unto itself will be drawn. Or in other words, like attracts like. And you understand this principle when you think of a radio station. When you want to listen to music that's playing at, let's say, 102 FM, you have to exactly tune your radio to this station. If you are at 89 FM, you don't receive the music. And the same way, you can't attract a desire that vibrates at a different level than what you are vibrating. In order to attract it, you have to match its vibration. The key to bringing into your life that which you desire is achieving vibrational harmony with it. And the easiest way to do so is to imagine having it already, that it's already part of your life, and feeling the deep joy of this experience. And when you then practice guiding your thoughts towards the fulfillment of your desire and getting into this state of being, you will begin to continually offer this vibration, and then you will be in a place to allow it into your experience. The question is, what are you paying attention to? When you think of your desires, something that is not part of your current reality yet, are you experiencing the joy of having it? Or are you putting your attention on the fact that you don't have it? When you put your attention on the joy of fulfillment, you will offer a vibration that will bring it into your life. And when you put your attention on the fact that you don't have it, it will match this vibration of not having it, and you will continually experience not having it. That's the law. If you pay attention to your emotions, the answer will be very clear, and you will know exactly where you are at. The law of attraction will draw to you the essence of what you are predominantly thinking about. It's like planning the future. If you appreciate what is in your life right now, the law of attraction will bring more of the things that you will appreciate. And if you worry, it will bring you more to worry about. You can use the beautiful gift of your imagination to bring into your life things that you want. Worrying is using your imagination to bring the things that you don't want into your life. So be aware. So in this video, I talked about the science of the law of attraction And in the next video of this mini-series, I will talk about the art of working with the law of attraction. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. Remember to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss the next videos in this mini-series about the law of attraction. And please feel free to share it with your friends. Let me know in the comments below what was your takeaway. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.